Ram. Welcome to the Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Your subject is Let's Learn English. Okay. Now today we will learn to make small letter words. Okay. So your instructor's name is Mrs. Kalpana Hablekar. Let's learn to make small letter words. Okay. So now that we have learnt the alphabet letters, the vowels and the consonant sounds thoroughly with spellings. Okay. Now what do you mean by thoroughly? Thoroughly means perfectly. Okay. So now that we have learned the alphabet letters, the vowels and the consonant sounds thoroughly with spellings. Okay. Now I hope all of you are following the everyday 15 minutes what I told you to learn and spend for English. Okay, very good. Let's now start with the words. Now the language is becoming more and more interesting. Okay, all this time you were learning only the sounds and the alphabet, vowel and the consonants. Now we are going to learn small words. Okay, so points to remember. So before we start with the words, we have to remember some points which are very important. Let us see what are they. Once we are perfect with the sounds of the letters in the English alphabet, it's now easy to form words. Yes, now what this says is once we are perfect with the sounds, so you must understand how important is the sounds of the letters. Okay, so you should always, I think till you know English perfectly, you should keep revising the sounds again and again, visit the slides and then you make yourself perfect. Yes, all the words will have vowels and sounds in them. So this is very important point. See, any word which we do in English or any other language also, but in English, all the words will have consonant also and vowel also. Okay. Now you know what is vowel and what is consonant. I needn't repeat again, right? Yes, very good. There cannot be a word formed without a vowel or a consonant. So there are no words without vowel or consonants. Okay. I think the points to remember is very clear. We'll repeat again. Once we are perfect with the sounds of the letters in the English alphabet, it's now easy to form words. All the words will have vowel and consonants in them. Okay, there cannot be a word formed without a vowel or a consonant in it. Okay, very good. Now recap. Now we'll quickly go through what are the sounds of vowel letter A, okay, because it is very important. We have learnt that the English alphabet has 5 vowels. All of you know? Yes, what are they? A, E, I, O, U. So the vowel letter A has 4 sounds. Yes? Vowel letter A has how many sounds? Yes, 4 sounds. Okay? By now you should know that. The first sound A as in ant, a. So mat, rat. Okay. So you can write if you want, those of you know Hindi. A, ant, mat, rat. Okay. Then the second sound of the vowel letter A is as in car, jar. So it is A. What is it? A. So those of you who know Hindi, you can write in Hindi or you can write in your own regional languages, which is comfortable to you. So it is easier to remember, right? Yes. The second sound of the vowel A is as in A, that is car, jar. Okay, yes. Now let us see the third word letter. The third sound of the vowel letter A, as in gate, plate. Okay, so A. A. Okay, so the third sound of the vowel letter A is as in gate, plate. Okay, so this A, it is not a matra above, it is A. Okay, now we'll go to the fourth sound. Fourth sound of the vowel letter A is as in all, ball, mall. What is it? All, ball, mall. So can you guess what it is? Yes, all. So it is like this. All. Okay? Yes. Now we will go. We'll repeat again. The first sound of A is as in ant, a. Okay? The second sound of the vowel letter A is as in a, that is car, jar. Okay? The third sound of the vowel letter as in gate, plate. So A. Okay? And the fourth sound of the vowel letter A is as in ball, mall. So O. All. Very good. So I hope it is clear now. Yes. Now let's learn to make the small letter words. Okay. Yes. Let's form some small letter words with A. So now we all have learned the four. Okay. The sounds four. Just now we learned. Now we will go to the letters and make small words. Okay. So now the first two letter word is A-N, an. A-N, an. So A plus an, A-N, an. So A is a vowel and has got four sounds. Yes, just now we did it. So here A is in ant, ant. So a. Okay, it is a. And na. Na means N. So the consonant N with the sound N. So A-N is an. Okay. So let us say again, A plus an is equal to an. Okay. So how we get the sound? A is a vowel and has got four sounds. So here A is as in ant and N is a consonant with the sound N. So A-N is an. Okay. It's clear? If you have any doubts, you can type in the comment box. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, A-S, as. So, A plus S. Now, who will tell me the sound? Yes. Again, vowel letter A has got four sounds. So, we will repeat again and again. So, it will be very common to us. Okay. So, A is a vowel and has got four sounds. Okay. So, now as, a. Here also it is a as in ant. Okay. Aeroplane. So, a. And sir, S is having one sound, that is sir. Sir, S-A-H, sir. Okay. So, a and sir is as. Okay. Yes, very good. So, now next word is, two-letter word is at. A-T, at. Okay. Now, here again, A is a vowel and has got four sounds. Okay. So, A, here also it is a. A plus T. T-A-H, T. Okay. At. At. See, we don't say at. 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 Okay. So, A plus T is at. A plus T is at. Very good. So, now all of you came to know what is as, how to pronounce it. Yes. A plus s is as. Okay. Then at plus t is at. Yes, very good. Then ant. Okay, again the vowel a is having 4 sounds. Okay, so again here a plus n plus t. So it is ant. Okay, ant. Okay, yes, very good. So when we say it fast, it will be ant. But if you are pronouncing it, then say ant. Okay, yes, A-R-E-R. Ah, here the sound changes. See, the sound of A is having 4 sounds, right? So here it comes A, R, O, R, R, R. Okay, very good. Then 8, again here A. See, A, T, E. So 8. Yes, all of you came to know? Yes, very good. You can write down. I'll give you 2 seconds because when I'm explaining, you're already writing. Now just complete it. Yes. Shall I go to the next lesson? Yes, very good. Okay. Let's form some small words again with letter A. So some more words. Arm. See, now the sound of A, the third sound is used as A. So A plus R plus M. Arm. A plus R plus M is arm. Okay. Then art. A plus R plus T. Yes, very good. By now you all are repeating after me. So you have come to know, right? So like that way, repeating makes us perfect. Okay. So you can repeat after me. Then ape. See, A, P and E. So ape. So A is as in gate. A. Okay. Very good. So A-P-E. Ape. A, P and E. Okay. So ape. So what is the sound of A? Yes, as in the word gate. Okay. Yes, very good. Gate. Then P is as P and E as in E. Okay. So gate. Ape. Very good. Now aim. A-I-M. So A, the sound A plus I plus M. So aim. A plus I plus M. So aim. Okay. Yes. Air. A plus I plus R. R. Air. 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 Yes, very good. All. A is sounded as aw. Okay. Aw plus l plus l. All. All. Very good. Then A-T-E. So the sound of A-T-E is A plus T plus E. So it is 8. A plus T plus E. 8. Okay. So these are the sounds. You want me to repeat again? Yes, one more time. So arm. A plus R plus M. Arm. Art. A plus R plus T. Art. Ape. A plus P plus E. So ape. A-I-M. A plus I plus aim. Then air, A plus I plus R, air. Okay. All, O plus L plus L. So all. 8, A plus T plus E is 8. Yes, by now we have learned some sounds and the letters and small words with A. So thank you for watching Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Thank you. I request you to subscribe for the channel, YouTube channel Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam and press the bell icon so that next time when the new videos come, you are getting the intimation. Thank you.